Hey guys, this is a quick video to help some of you guys out there with possible E90 transmission problems. Well, it's more of a confusion rather than a problem. So I changed the oil at about 180,000 miles on this car, and I used Dexron 6 by Supertech from Walmart. It's about $4 a quart, I believe. So I took off the transmission flap on this car, and I'm like, okay, I'll keep it off for 2 days and see if there are any leaks on the problem. And the problem was one of the flaps. So whenever I was driving the car over 50 miles an hour, I heard a screeching sound from the middle of the car. So it's gonna seem like a transmission problem, but it's not. So check, it's this flap right here. So this flap see how it kind of hangs low? So this was the problem. So every time I went over 45-55 miles an hour, this would touch the ground. See how it's kind of worn out too? Whenever it touched the ground, I would hear a screeching sound, and this was the problem. So if you think you have a transmission problem, it might not be that. It could be that flap. So check it out, and make sure it's all locked down before you guys take it for a ride, so you don't confuse it for a transmission problem. Thank you for watching.